Are you tired of just reading PDFs and not really learning? Today, I'll show you a website that can turn your notes into Smart Quiz so you can prepare faster and smarter. First, you have to open your browser and there type Wisdolia. Press Enter. After that, click the first link that appears with the name Jungle AI. Then sign up. After that, its homepage will appear in front of you. On the left side at the top, you will see the option Generate New Question. Click on it. After this, you will get the option to upload a file. Here, you need to click and upload the file from which you want to generate a quiz. Then it will upload your file and start reading it so that it can generate the quiz from it. After this, the Generate Question tab will appear. In this, you can set the range of pages. In the free version, you can only generate questions from a limited number of pages at a time. Then, you have to click on the Generate Question button. Here, you need to add it to a class, which is basically like a folder name. After this, you just have to click the Continue button. Then it will ask you if your exam has any date. If yes, then enter that date and also enter the name of your exam. You can also skip this step. After that, I clicked on the Continue button. Now look, at the top, there is a dot sign next to the question. This means the questions are still being generated. Once the dot disappears, it means the question generation is completed. Now your questions have been generated, and they are shown under the following categories. If you don't like any particular question or even an entire section, you can remove it by pressing the minus button there. Then, if you want to share this quiz, there is also a share button that you can click to share it. After that, I clicked on Continue, and here you can see the quiz. On the top right side, progress is also shown, which keeps telling me how I am doing. Now the first MCQ, and I selected the answer, which is correct. If I click on the option Explain why this is right, it will tell me why my chosen MCQ is correct. Also, it tells why the other options are wrong. So you can see how amazing this feature is. If I want to ask something related to my document, I can also ask it here. But keep this in mind. Since this is the free version, I am allowed to attempt only about 7 questions per hour. Once I complete 7 questions, my limit resets after 1 hour. And under each MCQ, it will also be written which page of my document that MCQ is from. And that's how Wisdolia transforms your PDFs into an interactive quiz experience. Try it out, and if you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends who are also preparing for exams.